No cold start video today. More so like a locksmith video. Key fob died, and it's actually a pretty cold day. So, yeah. At least I'm from the country, man. I ain't bitching and complaining about the cold. I'll update y'all whenever the key guy gets here, and we'll go from there. Hopefully, we get a cold start today. Worst case, I gotta tow it to the dealership to get the key reprogrammed. That'd suck. That would really suck. Now that I'm sitting here, I really need to invest in a kill switch because this shit is dead. Like, you can't do nothing at all. Look, nothing. You can't do nothing. Bro, kill switches are like, I might need to invest in one of those, bro. The complete fucking dumbass, bro. The battery was in backwards. It was in backwards. And who would think just to flip the battery over, right? And then put it back in the key fob after you got a new battery. But yeah, that cost $60.